Good morning, everyone. I hope you are checking my videos and you are able to understand and you're practicing the same on your mobile or your smartphone. So, today I'm going to show you how to apply font style, font size, as well as how to create a hyperlink within an HTML document. So let's start. Let me open Notepad, and as I said that I will copy the structure of HTML code which I have already created, the template that I have already have in my system. So let me open it in a notepad. Let me copy the default structure and let me paste it over here. Now, as I told you, today's topic is all about font style, font size, color, and creating hyperlink. So let me write a comment statement so that the code will be easily understood by the user who is checking my program. So this program will show how to apply font style, colors, size, and hyperlink. Again, I will change the title of the tab, browser tab. So let's say creating. So let's say I will write font attributes and hyperlink. So this is the title I want to give it to my browser tab. Now, as I said, whatever coding we are doing inside the body tab. So as you know, the colors can be applied in a web page, both foreground and background. Foreground is the color of the text and background is the background of the text where you have written. Like if you check this notepad, my foreground color is black and my background color is white. So first I want to give a color to my background page that I want to see it in a web browser. So I will write body style equals to double quotes background color. Now remember the spelling of color we will use here is COLOR. So I have to enter the type of color. You can choose any type that you remember, or else if you want to check the list of colors, I have that list. I will share the link in my video. This is the website name htmlcolorcodes.com, and there are different type of colors with color codes. So you can experiment with different type of colors and the colors that you like the most. So as I like the color shade of blue, so let me take let me take this color, slate blue. So let me copy the code me paste it over here. So once I mention color code, I will type semicolon and then close double quotation. Then I want to write a simple text in a web page. So for that, as I told you in my previous video, I will use p tag or paragraph tag. So let's say I'm writing this as this is a normal text with default color black. And normal font size. So here I am making no changes in text style and text color as well as size. So whatever the default size of the text we have, we will write it as it is and it will be displayed on a web page. Now in the next line I'm going to take I want to change the color of the normal text that I am writing it over here. So this time I will use P style instead of P. So P style equal to color. Let's say I want to take the color white because my background color is blue, and if I select white color, it would be visible properly with a proper clarity. So let's say I'm typing the color as white, again semicolon, double quotation, close. Now I will write this text is a normal text with white color. So what it will do, it will write the same text as it is, but the thing is that the color will be changed from the default color, which is black color, to white color. Now let's move on to the next step, which is font size. Now again, as I'm giving a style, so again I will be using P style font size. Let's say I want the size which is default size, let's say it's 10 pixel, so I want to make it bigger. I will use 20 pixel or 20 points, so I will write 20 px semicolon, double quotation, close. The size of this text will change to 20 pixel. Now as I have already given effect to font size, so color will remain default, which is black, but its size will increase to 20 pixel. Moving on to the next attribute, font attribute, which is font style. So again I am giving a style, so P style. Now font style, here we will use, instead of style we will use family. So font family, and if you remember the type of font style or font family like Arial, Garamond, Times New Roman, you can type it over here. But if you want to check check other different type of font family, so there is another web link that I will share in this video below. This is different type of font style that I have applied, that is applied over here. Like for Arial, this type of font style. For Verdana, it's a bit change compared to Arial. So there are different type of font style available on the website. You can go to this site w3schools.com. then if you want to check the next font style, it is also available there. See, so let's say let me go back and let me check the style, font style that I like. Let's say I like Georgia font, or I also like Garamond font. Let's say I will use Georgia font, so I will copy this, or I can simply type this font word over here. Once this is done, use semicolon enclosing double quotes and closing p style tag, and then I will write I have change font style to Georgia. Closing of p tag. So that is it. I have used all the font attributes. Now here I will use another attribute. As I told you that I will show you hyperlink. Now here, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link that is created to join two web pages together. Like for example, let me show you over here. Let's say I'm clicking on HTML tag. So as you can see, my pointer changes to a index thumb. So if I click over here, it will redirect me to the HTML page. So what it does, it is joining this page to the next page. So this can be done using hyperlink. So for that we will use one tag, href. Now what is A over here? A is an anchor tag which holds href, that is hypertext reference. That is the name of the website, and when you click on that particular link, it will redirect you to the particular website. So let me give you a very simple example. So anchor tag is A space href equal to double quotation. I will use the name of the website, also known as URL, but here I will use https :/ www.google.com. So this is the hyperlink I'm going to create on the given text that I'm going to write it over here. So the link that I'm going to create, let's say I'm typing a text over here. Click here to go to Google site. So once this is done, closing of anchor tag, and that is it. Now let me save this file. Let's say font size and style dot html. You can give any name of the file, but in order to identify, I am giving these type of names so that it would be easily recognized which type of file it belongs to. So let me save this file. Let me minimize the screen and let me go to the folder. So here it is. Let me double click on it. So as you can see, let me show you whether it is showing me correct or not. Let me open the code. Let me resize this window. So first thing first, the title of this tab is font attribute and hyperlink, which I have mentioned over here. Then body style of the background page is this color code that I have used, which is slate blue. Then the first text that is typed over here, it's normal text with a default color and default size. Then I have changed this normal color to white. That is why I have taken E style or paragraph style. So the color changes from default color black to white and font size remains the same. In the next line, I have increased the size of the default font size to 20 pixel. And then I have changed the font style to Georgia. As you can see, the style of this font is different from this font. So this is the font style of Georgia. And in the next line, I have used link, hyperlink on the given text, which says click here to go to Google site. Let me check whether it's working or not. So let me click on it. So there it is. It is taking me to the Google website, which is a Google search engine. So I hope you have already understood how to write the code for different font attributes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.